All right, morning, folks. It's Thursday. Time to get rolling. Looks like it's going to be a positive start to the day. We've got these markets in the green. Look at those technology stocks. Nasdaq up 1% right now. Big move. Why? Yesterday, Federal Reserve minutes come out from their last meeting. Looks like they're going to remain dovish. What does dovish mean? Looks like they're not going to raise interest rates, at least here in the next, let's call it, year or so. That could change, but that's what they're saying. Still concerned about the pandemic, seeing the markets rise as a result of that, seeing treasury yields move lower. Look over at oil. Oil, continue to see pressure on that market. Why? OPEC last week in their meeting came out, said they're going to start ramping up production. We're having a hard time getting oil back up above $60 a barrel in WTI. Continue to see that pressure. A lot of price action to trade in oil. And then finally, FX, dollar, having a hard time getting up and getting after it. Seeing pressure on the dollar. Euro up, British pound up, yen up, all against the dollar. Today, as it pertains to the FX world, Jerome Powell, Fed chairman, speaking at noon before the IMF. That could be market moving, something to keep your eye on. All right, folks, let's go get some today. 2 trading days left in the week. I'll check in with you again tomorrow.